Welcome. In this video, we'll review the Apowersoft HEIC Converter and introduce some excellent alternatives for converting HEIC files. Let's dive in. Apowersoft HEIC Converter Review, a free online tool for converting HEIC photos to JPEG. Main features of Apowersoft free HEIC Converter. 1. Converts HEIC to JPEG in batches or individually, with adjustable photo quality. 2. Web-based access without downloads, retains EXIF data in JPEGs. 3. User-friendly interface, available in multiple languages, completely free. Pros of Apowersoft HEIC Converter. 1. Batch converts up to 30 HEIC images to JPEG. 2. Supports drag and drop upload, retains EXIF data. 3. Online conversion, no login required, deletes uploaded images automatically. Cons of Apowersoft HEIC Converter. 1. Upload and conversion of HEIC images can be slow. 2. Batch conversion limited to 30 photos. 3. Not compatible with Mac OS, outputs only to JPG. Limited customization, occasional EXIF data loss. Now, let's explore an alternative option. In HEIC to JPG Converter best alternative. Converts HEIC to JPEG and N without quality loss. How to use. Step 1. Download and install Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter. Step 2. Click on Add HEIC to import your HEIC pictures. Alternatively, you can drag and drop HEIC images directly from your computer desktop into the program interface. Step 3. Choose either JPG or JPEG or N as the converted image format. Then, select your desired photo quality and decide whether to retain EXIF data. Step 4. Finally, specify a folder for saving the converted photos. And click Convert to batch convert HEIC to JPG or JPEG or N photos. Next, we'll look at another online alternative. HEICOJPEG.com is another free alternative. Similar to Apowersoft HEIC Converter, you can access this tool online for free and securely. Drag and drop your photos and convert them online. That's all for today. You now have a better understanding of the Apowersoft HEIC Converter and its alternatives. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for more details.